Welcome to the world of Bugatti, a name synonymous with luxury, precision, and innovation. Today, we embark on an extraordinary journey to restore this automotive masterpiece. This is not just any car, it's a symbol of heritage and engineering excellence, cherished by car enthusiasts around the globe. Our story begins with a Bugatti model that has seen better days, but still holds the allure of its prestigious past. As we undertake this ambitious restoration project, we'll delve into the rich history that makes this car a legend in its own right. Join us as we breathe new life into this mechanical marvel, showcasing each step of the restoration with precision and care. From disassembling the worn-out parts to reviving its majestic bodywork, every detail matters in our quest to restore the Bugatti's original splendor. So buckle up and prepare for an inside look at the art of restoration. This is just the beginning of a captivating journey. Stay with us as we uncover the secrets behind bringing a Bugatti back to life. Before embarking on the intricate journey of restoration, it's crucial to understand the full scope of the task at hand. We begin with a detailed assessment of this Bugatti's current condition, uncovering the secrets beneath its once glorious exterior. Each dent and scratch tells a story of its past, and now it's time to chart the course for its future. As we meticulously examine every inch, we identify key challenges that will test our skills and patience. From structural weaknesses to mechanical mysteries, these hurdles define the path we must take. Yet, with each challenge comes an opportunity to showcase true craftsmanship and engineering prowess. Setting restoration goals is our next step, a roadmap guiding us through this transformative process. The art of restoration is not just about repair, it's about preserving history and breathing new life into a masterpiece. As we stand on the brink of this journey, anticipation fills the air. Stay with us as we delve deeper into the heart of this Bugatti, where the real work begins. Next, we'll dive into the meticulous process of disassembly, revealing what truly makes this vehicle a legend. In the heart of our restoration journey, we delve into the intricate disassembly process of the Bugatti. This is where each component tells its own tale. With precision and care, we meticulously take apart this masterpiece, piece by piece, ensuring that each component is catalogued for its journey of transformation. The disassembly process is more than just a mechanical task. It is an art form in its own right. We approach each bolt and panel with the reverence it deserves. As we carefully remove each section, we document the process, capturing the essence of what makes this Bugatti unique. This documentation serves as a blueprint. The cataloguing of parts is akin to cataloguing moments in history. Each component has a story, a scratch that tells of a narrow escape or a dent. Throughout this phase, we maintain a steady hand and a keen eye, balancing the need for thoroughness with the excitement of discovery. The transformation begins here, in this very moment of disassembly, setting the stage for the journey ahead. As we conclude this segment, we leave you with the anticipation of what comes next, the restoration of the Bugatti's bodywork, where craftsmanship meets metal. Craftsmanship meets metal as we delve into the heart of the Bugatti's bodywork restoration. This crucial stage is where the car's structural integrity is revived, breathing life back into its iconic form. Imagine the delicate dance of artisans, their hands skilled and steady as they repair or replace damaged body panels. Each panel tells its own story of past journeys and future aspirations. Our first step is to carefully examine the car's body, identifying areas that need attention. The Bugatti's elegant curves and lines demand nothing less than perfection. With precision, the craftsmen begin their work, shaping the metal to restore the car's original splendor. It's a process that blends artistry with engineering, where every detail counts. Next, we move on to sanding, priming, and preparing surfaces. This is where the car begins to transform, shedding its worn exterior for a new one. Each stroke of the sander is a step closer to revival. This meticulous preparation is essential to ensure that the final finish is flawless. As we sand and prime, we also take the time to appreciate the beauty of the Bugatti's design. Its lines are timeless, a testament to the ingenuity of its creators. Restoring this vehicle is not just about repairing metal, it's about preserving a piece of automotive history. The final stage of this segment involves restoring the car's iconic shape. This is where craftsmanship truly shines. as every curve and contour is painstakingly recreated. It's a labor of love, where patience and skill come together to bring the Bugatti back to life. Throughout this process, we are reminded of the importance of craftsmanship in restoration. It's a dance between old and new, where tradition meets innovation. As we complete this segment, we leave behind a car that stands as a symbol of resilience and beauty. With the bodywork restored, our journey continues to the heart of the Bugatti, the engine. Join us as we breathe new life into this masterpiece. The engine is often called the heart of a car, and today, we embark on a journey to breathe new life into the very core of this Bugatti. As we delve into the intricate world of automotive engineering, watch as the engine's story unfolds, revealing both its history and potential. We begin by overhauling the engine components, each piece meticulously examined and restored. This is not merely a mechanical task, but a testament to the craftsmanship and dedication of those who dare to revive such a masterpiece. Every bolt and piston is a chapter in the story of performance and precision. Cleaning and refurbishing these vital parts is more than just routine maintenance, it's an art form. Each component is carefully cleaned, polished, and refurbished, ensuring that no detail is overlooked. Throughout this restoration, our goal is clear: to ensure optimal performance that matches the original specifications. It's about more than just getting the engine to run. It's about achieving that perfect harmony between power and precision that defines a luxury vehicle like this one. As we continue this transformative journey, you'll witness the dedication required to restore the heart of such an iconic car. The satisfaction that comes from hearing the engine roar back to life is immeasurable, a true reflection of the skill and passion involved in automotive restoration. With each turn of the wrench and every polished surface, we bring this Bugatti's engine back to its former glory, ready to power the car forward into a new chapter. This stage in our process highlights not just technical ability, but the emotional connection between man and machine. Our exploration of engine restoration serves as a reminder that even the most challenging tasks can be overcome with expertise and perseverance. As we conclude this segment, we leave you with anticipation for what comes next, a seamless transition into restoring the car's luxurious interior, where precision and detail are paramount. Stay with us as we continue this journey of transformation. In the heart of our restoration journey lies a crucial chapter: the interior restoration of this iconic Bugatti. We delve deep into the essence of luxury, where every detail matters. Imagine the scent of fresh leather, the gleam of polished wood, and the tactile pleasure of a perfectly restored dashboard. This is where craftsmanship meets elegance. As we step into the cabin, we're greeted by a canvas that tells its own story of time, wear, and the promise of renewal. The first task at hand is to address the upholstery. Skilled artisans work meticulously, selecting only the finest materials to ensure every stitch, seam, and surface is a testament to opulence. Next, we turn our attention to the dashboard. Here, every knob, gauge, and surface is given the care it deserves. The restoration process involves stripping away years of wear and tear, revealing the original beauty that lies beneath. It's a meticulous dance of patience and precision, breathing new life into every component. But it's not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality too. Each button and lever must work as seamlessly as they did in the car's prime. Attention to detail extends to every corner of the cabin. From the plush carpets underfoot to the elegant trim that frames the windows, nothing is overlooked. Through this process, we are not merely restoring a car, we are preserving a legacy of innovation, artistry, and sheer automotive brilliance that Bugatti stands for. As we conclude this segment on interior restoration, we prepare to transition to the next chapter in our journey, the chassis and suspension. The interior now stands as a testament to what was once lost but has now been found again, luxury redefined through dedication and expertise. Stay with us as we continue to unveil the layers of this magnificent transformation. In the world of automotive restoration, every detail counts. As we shift focus to the chassis and suspension of our Bugatti, precision becomes our guiding principle. Restoring the wheels and suspension system is not just about aesthetics. It's a meticulous dance between form and function. This stage is crucial for ensuring the car's safety and performance, as well as balancing its classic beauty with modern reliability. Our team delves into the intricacies of the suspension, with adjusting and refining each component to guarantee a smooth, flawless ride. We understand that a Bugatti is more than just a car, it's a masterpiece of engineering. Here, we enhance its performance by precisely restoring its underpinnings. This is where craftsmanship meets engineering excellence, as we ensure that every bolt and bracket is in perfect harmony. The challenge lies in achieving this delicate balance, a testament to both art and science. With each turn of the wrench, we inch closer to restoring the Bugatti's former glory, readying it for the next phase of its transformation. Stay with us as we move towards the paint transformation, adding layers of color to this magnificent canvas. In the realm of automotive restoration, painting is where artistry truly comes alive. Here we stand, at the heart of our journey, ready to transform the Bugatti with a fresh coat of paint. This is more than mere application. It's the delicate dance of color and craftsmanship. Our first step is selecting the perfect paint color, a choice that will define the Bugatti's personality and pay homage to its storied past. It's not just about a shade, it's about capturing an essence that embodies elegance and power. As we stand before a palette of possibilities, we envision the final masterpiece, a striking blend of tradition and innovation. Once the color is chosen, we embark on the meticulous process of applying layers for a flawless finish. This is where precision meets patience. Each layer is carefully applied, allowing time to set and settle, creating a depth and sheen that mirror the car's original allure. It's a painstaking process, but one that promises a transformation worthy of a Bugatti. As we apply these layers, we're reminded of the craft's intricacy. It's not just paint. It's a protective skin that must endure the elements while maintaining its luster. Our hands move with care, ensuring every stroke breathes life into the vehicle's curves and contours. We're not just painting a car, we're restoring its soul. Finally, we arrive at the final touches, the moment when the Bugatti truly begins to shine. We meticulously examine every detail, ensuring that each part of the exterior gleams with perfection. This is where our passion for restoration meets its pinnacle, where every surface tells a story of revival and renewal. As the paint dries and sets, we step back to admire our work. A fresh coat of paint has indeed breathed new life into this iconic machine, restoring its original shine while adding a touch of modern elegance. It stands as a testament to the art of painting a masterpiece, echoing the dedication and skill poured into its revival. But our journey doesn't end here. With painting and finishing complete, we transition to the next phase, reassembly and fine-tuning. In this stage, we'll bring together every component with precision, ensuring that the Bugatti not only looks magnificent, but also runs like a dream. Join us as we continue this remarkable journey of transformation. As the layers of paint have settled and the body glimmers with renewed sheen, we move into the next crucial phase of our journey, the reassembly process. This is where each meticulously restored piece finds its rightful place, and the Bugatti starts to come alive once more. Imagine the intricate ballet of components. Each part, from the smallest bolt to the grandest panel, is essential to this choreography. Our team begins by carefully reassembling all components, ensuring that every connection is precise and secure. It's akin to piecing together a complex puzzle, where every element must align perfectly. The attention to detail in this phase cannot be overstated. It's not just about assembling a car, but about breathing life back into a storied piece of automotive history. As the components come together, we turn our focus to the fine-tuning of mechanical systems. Here, craftsmanship meets engineering precision. Each system is adjusted with painstaking care, ensuring that performance is not just restored, but optimized. It's a delicate dance between machine and man, where expertise and passion meet to create something extraordinary. The engine roars to life for the first time since its rebirth, and it's a symphony of power and precision. But we don't stop there. Every mechanical aspect is tested rigorously to ensure that it functions seamlessly. Our goal is nothing short of perfection, a testament to the skill and dedication poured into this project. The reassembly process is as much about art as it is about engineering. It requires a keen eye and steady hands to ensure that every component not only fits but functions in harmony with the rest. It's about crafting a vehicle that not only looks exquisite but performs flawlessly, embodying the spirit of a true Bugatti. As the Bugatti takes shape once more, we stand back for a moment of reflection and admiration. It's not just a car, it's a symbol of what can be achieved when passion meets precision, when history is honored through craftsmanship. With each passing moment, the Bugatti grows closer to its final form, a form that will soon be revealed in all its glory. The anticipation builds as we prepare for the final inspection, where every detail will be scrutinized to ensure that our vision has been realized. So stay tuned as we transition into the next segment, where we'll conduct a thorough quality check, leaving no stone unturned in our quest for excellence. The journey is far from over, and the best is yet to come. Before we unveil the magnificence of our restored Bugatti, one crucial step remains: the quality check. At this stage, every inch of the vehicle undergoes a meticulous inspection, ensuring that no detail is overlooked. Our team of experts conducts thorough testing of the car's performance, pushing the limits to guarantee it meets our high restoration standards. This isn't just about checking boxes, it's about achieving excellence in every facet of the restoration. As the engine roars to life, we assess its power and precision, making sure it echoes the brilliance of its car's original design. The suspension, brakes, and every mechanical component are scrutinized to ensure they perform flawlessly. This is a moment where passion meets precision, where our dedication to craftsmanship shines through. Every aspect is evaluated with an unwavering commitment to quality, ensuring that the Bugatti isn't just restored, but reborn. The goal is perfection, a tribute to the timeless elegance and engineering marvel that is Bugatti. As we wrap up this phase, anticipation builds for the grand reveal, where the transformation will be fully unveiled. Stay tuned as we prepare to showcase this masterpiece in all its glory. The restoration journey reaches its crescendo as we unveil the fully restored Bugatti, a masterpiece reborn. This moment is not just about showcasing a car, it is a celebration of art, engineering, and relentless dedication. As we stand before this magnificent machine, we reflect on the months of meticulous work, the countless challenges overcome, and the unwavering passion that has driven this project to completion. From the initial assessment to the intricate disassembly, every step was a labor of love. Each component carefully catalogued, each part restored or replaced with precision. The journey was filled with moments of tension and triumph as we revived the Bugatti's bodywork, breathing life into its iconic curves and restoring its structural integrity. The engine, once dormant, roars back to life, a testament to the skill and craftsmanship of our team. The interior, now a sanctuary of luxury, speaks volumes of the attention to detail and respect for the car's original elegance. The wheels and suspension have been meticulously restored to ensure that this Bugatti not only looks spectacular, but performs with the grace and power it was designed for. And then, the transformative power of paint, the final touch that brings everything together. A flawless finish that revives the Bugatti's original shine, capturing the essence of its storied past, while heralding a new chapter in its life. As each piece was reassembled, we witnessed the rebirth of a legend, fine-tuned to perfection, ensuring that every system functions seamlessly. And now, after a rigorous quality check, we stand ready to share this marvel with you. Behold the restored Bugatti, not just a car but a testament to the art of restoration and craftsmanship. It is a reminder of what is possible when passion meets precision, where heritage is preserved through skilled hands and unwavering dedication. This is more than just a vehicle. It is a symbol of excellence, an ode to automotive history. We hope you've enjoyed this journey as much as we have. From its humble beginnings to its glorious rebirth, this Bugatti stands as a testament to the potential locked within each rusted frame and faded surface. It is a call to all enthusiasts and dreamers to keep pushing boundaries and to honor the legacy of automotive craftsmanship. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep restoring, and keep celebrating the art of transformation. Don't forget to subscribe.